How to naturally improve sperm count and boost fertility in men. Are you and your partner facing fertility challenges? You're not alone. Infertility is more common than you think. 1 in every 6 couples is affected by infertility, and studies estimate about 1 in every 3 cases is due to fertility problems in the male partner alone. Although, erroneously, female partners are always blamed for infertility in relationship. However, infertility is not always treatable. There are some things you can do to boost your chances of conceiving. Fertility can sometimes be improved with a healthy diet, supplements, and other lifestyle strategies. Sperm counts that contain less than 20 million sperm per milliliter of semen are considered low. Sperm counts can be affected by many different factors. In order for sperm to be produced, it requires complex functions of the pituitary and hypothalamus glands as well as the testes. These organs produce hormones that are responsible for sperm production. Upon successful production of sperm in the testicles, the sperm must then pass through small tubes to reach the semen, where it then mixes with semen and is released through ejaculation. If problems occur in any of these systems, low sperm volume can occur, sperm shape can be irregular or movement can be affected. When sperm counts are lower than normal, this can cause male fertility problems, reducing the chance of fertilizing the egg of a partner for successful pregnancy. Low sperm counts can be caused by health problems, environmental factors as well as lifestyle. This video highlights some of the main lifestyle factors, foods, nutrients, and supplements that have been associated with improved fertility in men. Before we proceed, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if you're new to this YouTube channel for more informative natural health tips. Do not forget to click on the notification bell in order to be notified when a new video is dropped. Now, what is male infertility? Fertility refers to people's ability to reproduce without medical assistance. Male infertility is when a man has a poor chance of making his female partner pregnant. It usually depends on the quality of his sperm cells. Sometimes infertility is linked to sexual function, and other times it could be linked to semen quality. Here are some examples of each. 1. Libido. This is also known as sex drive. Libido is described as an individual's desire to have sex. Foods or supplements that claim to increase libido are called aphrodisiacs. 2. Erectile dysfunction. Impotence is the general name of this male infertility. Erectile dysfunction is when a man is unable to develop or maintain an erection. 3. Sperm count. This is an important aspect of semen quality. It is the number or concentration of sperm cells in a given amount of semen. 4. Sperm motility. An essential function of healthy sperm cells is their ability to swim. Sperm motility is measured as the percentage of moving sperm cells in a sample of semen. 5. Testosterone levels. Low levels of testosterone, the male sex hormone, may be responsible for infertility in some men. Infertility can have multiple causes and may depend on genetics, general health, fitness, diseases, and dietary contaminants. Furthermore, a healthy lifestyle and diet are important. Some foods and nutrients are associated with greater fertility benefits than others. Male infertility accounts for 40% of fertility problems. Research shows that 10% of males with low sperm counts can successfully fertilize a partner's egg, although if a man has tried for over 2 years without success, he should seek medical advice. There are some simple things that can be done to reverse low sperm volume and increase male fertility. These include: 1. Perform exercise regularly. Exercise, besides being good for your general health, exercising regularly can boost testosterone levels and improve fertility. Researchers show that men who exercise regularly have higher testosterone levels and better semen quality than inactive men. However, you should avoid too much exercise, as it may have the opposite effect and potentially reduce testosterone levels. Getting the right amount of zinc can minimize this risk. If you rarely exercise but want to improve your fertility, make becoming physically active one of your top priorities. 2. Relax and minimize stress. It is difficult to get in the mood when you're feeling stressed, but there might be more to it than not feeling up for sex. Stress may lower your sexual satisfaction and impair your fertility. Researchers believe the hormone cortisol may partly explain these serious effects of stress. Prolonged stress raises levels of cortisol, which has strong negative effects on testosterone. When cortisol goes up, testosterone levels tend to go down. While serious, unexplained anxiety is typically treated with medication, milder forms of stress can be reduced with relaxation techniques. Stress management can be as simple as taking a walk in nature, meditating, exercising, or spending time with friends. 3. Take enough vitamin C. Everyone is familiar with vitamin C's ability to boost the immune system. Some evidence indicates that taking antioxidant supplements, such as vitamin C, may improve fertility. Oxidative stress is when levels of reactive oxygen species, ROS, reach harmful levels in the body. It happens when the body's own antioxidant defenses are overwhelmed because of disease, old age, an unhealthy lifestyle, or environmental pollutants. ROS are constantly being produced in the body, but their levels are kept in check in healthy people. High levels of ROS may promote tissue injury and inflammation, increasing the risk of chronic disease. There's also some evidence that oxidative stress and excessively high levels of ROS may lead to infertility in men. Intake of enough antioxidants, like vitamin C, may help counteract some of these harmful effects. There's also some evidence that vitamin C supplements may improve semen quality. A study in infertile men showed that taking 1000 mg vitamin C supplements twice a day for up to 2 months increased sperm motility by 92% and sperm count by more than 100%. It also reduced the proportion of deformed sperm cells by 55%. Another observational study in Indian industrial workers suggested that taking 1000 mg of vitamin C 5 times a week for 3 months may protect against DNA damage caused by ROS in sperm cells. Vitamin C supplements also significantly improved sperm count and motility, while reducing the numbers of deformed sperm cells. Taken together, these findings suggest that vitamin C may help improve fertility in infertile men with oxidative stress. Although, further researches are needed before any definite claims can be made. 4. Take enough vitamin D. Vitamin D can be essential for both male and female fertility. It's another nutrient that may improve testosterone levels. One observational study showed that vitamin D deficient men were more likely to have low testosterone levels. A study in 65 men with low testosterone levels and vitamin D deficiency supported these findings. Taking 3000 U of vitamin D3 every day for 1 year increased their testosterone levels by around 25%. High vitamin D levels are linked to greater sperm motility, but the evidence is inconsistent. 5. Take enough zinc. Zinc is an important mineral found in high amounts in animal foods, such as meat, fish, eggs, and shellfish. Taking enough zinc is one of the cornerstones of male fertility. Careful studies show that low zinc status or deficiency is associated with low testosterone levels, poor sperm quality, and an increased risk of male infertility. Also, taking zinc supplements increases testosterone levels and sperm count in those who are low in zinc. In addition, zinc supplements may reduce the decreased testosterone levels that are related to excessive amounts of high-intensity exercise. 6. Take maca root. Eating maca root supplements may improve libido, as well as fertility and sexual performance. Maca root is a popular plant food that originated in central Peru. Traditionally, it has been used for its ability to enhance libido and fertility. Several studies in men showed that taking 1.5 to 3 grams of dried maca root for periods of up to 3 months improved self-reported sexual desire or libido. Studies also suggest that maca root may improve sexual performance. In men with mild erectile dysfunction, taking 2.4 grams of dried maca root for 12 weeks slightly improved self-reported erectile function and sexual well-being. Taking 1.75 grams of maca root powder every day for 3 months also increased sperm count and motility in healthy men. These findings have been partly confirmed by reviews, but the researchers noted that the evidence is weak and more research is needed before definite claims can be made. Furthermore, maca root doesn't seem to affect hormone levels. Taking 1.5 to 3 grams of maca root per day for 3 months had no effects on testosterone or other reproductive hormones in healthy, fertile men. 7. Avoid certain prescription medications. Some prescription medications can potentially decrease healthy sperm production. Once the male stops taking the medication, however, their sperm count should return to normal or increase. Medications that may temporarily reduce the production and development of sperm include some antibiotics, anti-androgens, anti-inflammatories, antipsychotics, opiates, antidepressants, anabolic steroids, which may continue to affect sperm count for up to 1 year after stopping the medication exogenous or supplementary testosterone methadone. Men should seek consultation with a healthcare provider if they believe that a medication they are currently taking may be reducing their sperm count or affecting their fertility. 8. Avoid exposure to environmental and occupational contaminants. As pollution and congestion increase, researchers often link environmental factors such as air quality and exposure to toxic chemicals to reduced sperm health and count. Specifically, a 2019 linked living in highly industrial areas with heavy air pollution to lower sperm counts. Avoiding environmental toxins as often as possible also contributes to better overall health. Furthermore, many things can help boost fertility, but what works for you depends on the cause of your fertility issues. Also, keep in mind that fertility and libido usually go hand in hand with your general health. For this reason, anything that improves your overall health is likely to boost your fertility. Here are 8 additional tips to boost fertility and sperm count quality. A. Live a healthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle practices impair your overall health, including fertility. B. Lose excess weight. Having extra weight is linked to infertility. If your personal physician suspects that weight may be linked to your infertility, discuss weight loss as one of your health goals. C. Control your alcohol intake. Stay away from heavy alcohol intake, as it may reduce testosterone levels and impair semen quality. D. Get enough folate. A few studies indicate that a low intake of folate may impair semen quality. E. Get adequate sleep. Getting adequate sleep is vital to maintaining your health. Restricted or excessive sleep has also been linked to poor semen quality. F. Snack on walnuts. Eating a lot of antioxidant-rich foods, such as walnuts, seems to benefit fertility. G. Take supplements. Antioxidant supplements also seem to work. Some evidence suggests that coenzyme Q10 improves semen quality. H. Avoid eating too much soy. Soy is rich in isoflavones, which are associated with lower semen quality. Do not forget to give this video a thumb up and share it with friends or families that the contents of this video might be useful to. In summary, if you're having fertility issues, one thing you can do is focus on improving your general health. Many of the tips stated above are key components of a healthy lifestyle. There's no guaranteed fix, but if nutrient deficiencies or low testosterone levels are contributing factors, chances are that these lifestyle tips may help. Thanks a lot for watching.